welcome back to Quick Concepts. This is for my Algebra 1 Saxon students. Today we're going to talk about surface area. There's a couple different ways to do surface area. You can deal with each surface themselves. I really don't like to do it that way. I personally just like to kind of lump them all into one formula, so that's what I'm going to do. The only time that it's different, and I don't think you're even going to deal with this till Algebra 2, is when you're dealing with a pyramid or a cone. But for the most part, the surface area, you're going to say 2 times the area of the base. That's going to cover the top and the bottom, plus the perimeter of the base times the height. So what this does is this covers your top and your bottom, and this covers your sides. So let me give you a couple of examples. Now I want you to understand that your base is whatever shape carries through. So if you have a triangular prism, then you're going to be talking about the triangle as your base. If you have a cylinder, then a circle is your base. So let's just do a couple to make sure that this sets with you okay. So if you have, oops, my bad. If you have a right circular cylinder, it looks like this. Hopefully you can see that the base is a circle. It has a radius of 4 and a height of 10. So we are going to say 2 times the area of the base. So the area of the base is going to be pi r squared. And the perimeter of the base, now this is the circumference of a circle, is 2 pi r, and the height is 10. So I'm going to run this through. 4 squared plus 2 times pi times 4 times 10. So this is 32 pi plus, that's 80 pi. And that's going to be 122 pi. And that's going to be equal to 122 times pi, which is 3.14, and that's going to be 383.27, and this is talking about inches, and it's going to be inches squared. Any kind of area is always going to be squared. All right, let's try one a little bit different. Let's try something like this. This has got a couple shapes to it. We have a square here, and then we have a semicircle. So again, 2 times the area of the base. Well, the area of the base is the area of a square plus the area of a semicircle. So plus the perimeter, the base, times the height. So let's go ahead and plug this in. This is going to be side squared, so it's 6 squared. The semicircle is going to be pi times 3 squared divided by 2. The perimeter is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 pi r divided by 2 times the height, and the height is given in the problem as 10 feet. So this is just the base. So let's go ahead and work that out. It's going to be 36 plus 9 pi over 2 plus 18 plus, what was the 3 pi? Times 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do this part first. So I'm going to grab my calculator, and I'm going to say 36, well, let's do 9 times pi divided by 2 plus 36 times 2. So this whole thing is going to be 100.27 plus 3 times pi. Actually, let's just do 3 times pi plus 18 times 10, and this is going to be 274.25, so plus 100.27, so this is 374.52, and this one is given in feet, so it's going to be feet squared. So that is how you do surface area, and that is it for that.